I'm muted. Yo, we should be good now, right? Good chat. Hold on. I'm gonna get some water. Be back. Give me a second. Now we back. Sorry. I don't know what was up with YouTube today. It's acting strange. Acting a bit strange. But yo, chat. Make sure to leave a like on the stream, chat. If you guys enjoyed the stream, make sure to leave a like. Sub to the channel. I think it should show live now, right? It should. There you go. Now my channel shows I'm live. Now we're no longer blacklisted. Great. Where's Wix9? What a wafer? Yeah, I mess with this music. I do not. What's that volume song I used to play, chat? What's it called? Seagulls. How did I find it? How did I use this app? Hey, there you go. It's been a while. Yeah, there you go. How do you execute trade on TradingView? I don't. I mark up on TradingView. I execute on MT5 on my mobile. On my mobile app. but I mark up on my desktop. I execute my mobile app. Is there news in 5 minutes powerful? I don't believe so. There's no news in 5 minutes. What are you talking about? 8:30 a.m. Eastern? You gotta change up this time, bro. Rev. Yeah, it's at 8:30. Not 7:30. What do you do? How about self stops? Is that what you're asking? If you gotta ask if it's powerful, you might need to reevaluate, man. You need a sample size more, man. You need a sample size more. What's your thoughts on gold today? I give a breakdown already. Fuck. I can't say go to the beginning of the stream just because that stream got this is a new stream. But okay, go back on go on this video here. An hour ago. We started streaming at like I think 6:30. I did a breakdown on gold and GJ already. So go back to that stream and then you know, mods. When people ask for a breakdown, send this link. Or here. If you missed I got you. It was done. This breakdown is done. That makes sense? I guess that makes sense. Why you take a trade on GJ as 30 closed above the range? I didn't take a trade on GJ. I'm not in a trade. There's nothing here. Huh? What's going on? Bro, I don't know what's up with chat today. Is it a Monday or something? Chat, what's going on today, chat? You guys gotta wake up. Wait to get trade. Why not? No, because there's no topic on the 30-day closure. Plus, I need a 1 hour closure because this 1 hour count is still bearish here. I'll probably wait for the 1 hour. If it drives, I can care less about it. But it's 30-minute no topic. It's not really my position to take. Might be a range today today, chat. I don't know. Things aren't looking too sweet. Things aren't looking too sweet. Money done chat and turn on brain. I can tell. I can tell. Chat's a little sleepy today. Like are you waiting for a sell? Brother. You know. Here. You see this? See my pin message? Click on the pin message. If you missed the breakdown, it was done this morning here. Alright. I did the gold breakdown already. I did the GJ breakdown already. I broke it down from the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 30, 15, to where I have this line drawn to what I'm looking for next. It's all done this morning. Just gotta you know, pay attention. Gold buys heading to the 664 downward drop. Yeah, I mean, I guess so. Yeah. Do you like roller coasters? No, I hate roller coasters. That shit's way too high. There's no buy in gold since 57. I'm interested in gold buys above probably. I'm above here. Above 57 wouldn't be too bad. Yeah, but you need a closure first. I'm more interested in sells today below 65.3. Anything below 65.3 for me today is sells. So weekend drugs? Yeah, what do you guys on, chat? Like, what happened during the weekend? You guys took shrooms or something? What's the deal, Wix? Thank the Lord. What's going on?
What's the deal?
Yo, I don't know what's up with chat today, bro, but you need to help them out.
Chat, talk to me.
It's
What's the deal?
It's like the whole chat went on some crack during the weekend.
Why?
I don't know. They're down a different planet this week. In a different
This
world.
brings me to a good point, chat. Don't do drugs. Stay away from the from the magic dragon. Cracked off this coffee. It's Monday morning, bitches. What is up? Must come down.
Do y'all need to wait for a 1 hour closure? No, not always. However, in this case, yes, because the previous 1 hour candle is bearish. So you want to either break the high to clear that 1 hour candle out, or you want to close on the 1 hour candle to overlook that 1 hour candle. In this case, the third man closed. 1 hour didn't close yet. Third man is fine, yeah, but third man just has no top wick as well. So I'm not even interested in buys at all right now. Not at all. Yeah, how's your weekend? And why didn't you stream yesterday?
I never stream Sundays. It's Sunday night, weekend.
Yeah, but it's the most volatile day of the week. What you mean?
Nah. Let's do a Sunday New York session, and then we can do a Sunday Asian session.
This is a Sunday New York session.
Yeah.
In what part of the world?
And technically in Asia, you're pulling a Tuesday right now.
Well, you don't do a Sunday, then you don't do a Friday. You stream 3 days a week, basically, right?
What?
No, 4 days a week.
Like, how many days a week?
Yeah, how many viewers do you have on Thursday stream?
Always ask yourself, chat, is this necessary? Like, everything that you're doing, is it necessary?
Yes,
At
always.
this moment, this is necessary for me.
But did you trade Asian last night?
No.
Did you look at the charts? I had not looked at the charts at all.
No,
I came here
no.
for a surprise.
I haven't looked at the charts since Friday morning.
Yeah, Friday's a good day, man. Damn, what a weekend. Hello, Don V. What's going on? What's going on, bruv? You here to watch the Wordle Gods? Well, the Wordle Gods got to work at 9 a.m. So I'm not sure what you're here to watch just yet.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, I had my stream got blacklisted earlier.
Yeah, that was crazy. I don't know
Like 200 viewers. It's alright. Advice for scaling in. Every time you scale in, think of it as like ask yourself, like, if I weren't to get in the first position, would I get in right here? Right? That's how I'll do it. Like, the same positions you'll take to get in off your first initial position should be the same positions to get in off your second, third, fourth positions, right? As you're scaling in. It should be the same technical analysis that lines up. That's my advice. Why did you say no on gold buy 664? I never said no on gold buy 664. I can definitely drop the 664, and I will be interested in 664, but I need a 1 hour closure for us to drop the 664. Where do you guys hear these things? Like, who you know, like, who said that I wasn't looking for buys until 664? There's definitely buys to 664, but I need a closure above her until that happens. I need a 1 hour closure above or something. I just said there's no buys on that 30-minute candle just yet for me. For me, right? For me. Meaning that I'm not taking buys here until I get a 1 hour closure above. But you can take your buys. You can take your buys going up. You can have the wick entry. You know, you can get whatever you want to get in. But you guys gotta stop assuming, right? This is the thing about FX traders and why they always fail. They always assume. You can't be assuming in FX. You have to be seeing and hearing, right? Like, when you see price close, okay, cool. This is valid for us to drive up. But yeah, you can't just assume, like, oh, price is gonna do this, and then this, and then this, and then this today. Like, you can't be predicting. You have to be seeing and then doing. TP 664, yes, it is. If you close above 1657, you're gonna have clean traffic looking left until 1663.470. I never said I wasn't looking for those buys. It's just, you're just making things up now, my guy. Yeah, come on. I know it's a Monday, but come on.
You need some milk.
Chat needs some milk. I slept for like a good 8 hours last night, so I'm chilling.
I had 5 hours, 42 minutes of sleep.
Wow. So precise.
Mm-hmm. I know it for a fact. We see like roller coaster. Hell fucking no.
That shit way too high.
Yeah, I'm afraid of heights, yo. My kids wanted to go on a roller coaster. I put them up next to a stranger. I was like, look, this guy's going. You guys are going. You guys can all go together. Go. Nah, we went to Universal, and like one of my best friends, one of my boys was like, you know what? I'll go with them on there. I was like, enjoy. Enjoy the kids. They're all yours. I just walked around the park while they went on some big ass roller coasters. I ain't got time to be flying down 100 floors at 400 miles an hour. I got shit to
Yeah,
do.
what's the biggest roller coaster you've been on?
I don't know what the biggest one has been. Probably that steep drop in Universal with that boat. But the scariest one I've been on is the cyclone in Coney Island. Yo, that shit has not been updated in like 100.
Yeah, how's those things?
Cyclone. Go to Cyclone. Go to Cyclone in Coney Island.
Oh,
That
this
shit
is Toronto, huh?
Bro, this is all wood. And
Oh, this is like the Toronto roller coaster. This is not even that bad.
Bro, that is it makes the scariest noises as you're on it. This shit makes the creaking noises that you would hear in like a horror movie. This is my neighborhood. This is where I'm from. Like I grew up over here. Like you see, that's all wood. There's like pieces of wood missing. There's planks missing, and you're like, shit, are we gonna make the next turn or just fly the fuck off?
What's that spot called? This is the Mine Buster, bro. In Canada. This is what it is, right? It's exactly like this.
I don't know. It's making the similar noise right
Do
there.
not stand up.
No, this shit definitely has all the rails there. Like the one on Coney Island, this shit's missing like a bunch of wood. The whole bunch of wood missing. You really don't know if you making the next turn. I don't fuck with roller coasters.
I don't fuck with roller coasters too, man.
I'm good.
Yeah.
Thing.
Yo, the fact that people line up hours for a roller coaster, nah, bro. I never understood it. Like, how you gonna line up 2-3 hours for a 10-second ride?
I feel like walking by the line, like we just saw a movie and ruining it for them. Like they all die at the end. Everyone dies at the end. Watch that line clear out real quick. Nah, I'm good. I'll hold your spot in line for you for some dough. But I ain't going on it. You know which ones I like? When you like get in there and it's like a screen. You're not really moving, but it feels like it's a roller coaster. I take those. What up, DC? How you doing? That's gonna be a no from me, dog.
It's the adrenaline rush. Nah, I know why people like roller coasters, but I just never understood like how people wait for like a couple hours for a ride. I never understood that.
You know what I like? I like mountain coasters. I don't like roller coasters. I like mountain coasters because those you can just go up and then you control how fast you calm down, right? You ever had those? You just sit in the cart and they drop you from the mountain.
No, I never had that in my life.
Well, you got to go up into the mountains. A lot of like in Tennessee, they got mountain coasters. It's like a little luge, right? It'll bring you up. It's like a pulley. It brings you all the way to the peak of the mountain, and then they drop you from there on rails, and then but you're in like a little single cart, and you can control how fast you go.
Yeah,
when I'm in control, I'm good.
Yeah, we should go on this.
Nah, you stupid.
What you mean?
You crazy. I've seen people pass out and do the wildest shit on Slingshot.
This shit is lit.
You see the ones with people screaming halfway up and then they pass out and then they wake up as they're coming back down and they screaming again. Yo, that's the point. Go to the Slingshot fucking.
Yo, they don't tell you when.
Funnies.
They don't tell you when they're gonna fly up. It's just like.
Yes, they do. They tell you on the count of 3. 1, 2.
No,
boom.
you don't. It's just like you just sit there, round it, boom.
Yeah, they'll count to 3 and let it go on 2.
Yo,
Yeah, go.
I'll be gripping that shit hard as shit right now.
Go to the funnies. Go to the Slingshot funnies, yo. Yo, people got the funniest reactions.
Yeah, they be passing on stuff.
Be talking mad shit. Oh, she's done for. She's laughing. I can tell. Oh, he's nervous. He's nervous. No, she's gonna enjoy this. He's gonna fucking pass out. I can't hear what he's saying, but. Oh. Hell no, Chad. I would know. Look, he's done. He's praying to God right now. He's like, why am I with this crazy bitch? Get her out of my life. Yo, don't you ever let me see this bitch ever again. I hope we land and she doesn't. That's what
Yo,
he's
bitch
thinking
number
right
2. Look at her shirt.
I see. She is bitch number 2. That's crazy. These guys have done fucked up. Like I don't know what they did when they were young, but God is punishing them for meeting these women right now. Oh.
Yo, this guy passed out.
Look, he's done. He's done. I hope he breaks up with her ass. Look, she's laughing too. She's like, "Oh my God, that was so much fun. Should we do it again?" He's done. She thinks
Yo,
he's enjoying it.
she got no clue.
She just had an orgasm and she thinks he's enjoying it, and he's like, God, if you don't fucking get me home right now and away from this crazy bitch.
He woke up like, yo, what
Get me
the
back
fuck?
to bitch one. Get me back to my bitch one. Bitch two can go. Get me back to bitch one.
Is there a 3? There's a 3.
Damn.
Yeah, nah, man, that's a no for me.
You crazy?
You're gonna have that. I'll stick to riding
I'm
golden.
good, dog. I'm good. Yeah, I ain't got no VR glasses or nothing.
Yeah, I'll do the VR version with the fan
Yeah,
blowing towards my face. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Just sprinkle some water on me. Just stand in front of me, sprinkle water on me while I'm wearing the headset, and it feel like I'm flying. Fuck that. Crazy. I don't know. Like, chat, user questionable. All of yous. Anyone that went, that seems fun. All of you. Yous are all sus. That shit did not seem fun. It don't seem fun fucking passing out 200 feet in the air pulling fucking 5G. Nah, I'm good. There's a reason I'm not a fucking fighter pilot, right? Yo, drop a like, subscribe. We're gonna have this fucking wick in about 10 minutes.
We're not getting nothing today.
Fuck.
We're not getting no positions today, man. But at this rate, man, looking like I could
Right,
just.
give it 10 minutes.
I'm gonna go play hockey,
got
chat.
Yo, what the fuck was that video? Did you hit the post yesterday?
Yo, that was a sick shot.
This shit seemed like so slow motion. I was like, why is nobody heading first head? I would have been looking to hip check yet. Just to learn how to hip check. That's what I would have been doing.
You would not catch me.
You crazy? I skate backwards faster than like.
Yeah, but you're talking this is pre Wix. This is pre Wix. This is before the lungs collapse.
I don't know. I'm talking shit right now. I probably would have been on that ice going, yo, help me, help me.
Must be out of breath by the first shift.
My ass would be like, what's his name? What was the dude during the UFC match? He was like, yo, can I get my inhaler?
Oh, what's his name?
Hardy.
I don't know his name, but I seen that.
It's like, yo, can I have my inhaler? The ref's like, is it prescription? He's like, nah, it's not prescription. Or I got a script for it. I got a prescription. Word. I would be in an oxygen mask with a little fucking albuterol pack, riding around the ice. With a fucking nebulizer attached to me.
Man.
Damn, dog.
7 minutes left for a closure.
Like watching two non-playoff teams play. No action.
What'd you do this weekend?
Uh-huh.
Why?
What I did this weekend, huh? I did things. What did you do this weekend?
What do you mean?
I had a good weekend. Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah, that's pretty relaxing.
I vibed alone and worked on myself.
Bruh. Yo, we need that Monday coffee.
I like seeing people uncomfortable. I like putting people under pressure. People under pressure, fucking shit flying all over the place, fucking collapsing, everything burning down to the ground. It's my type of party, yo. If I see a fucking train crashing into a flea market, I go get my glow sticks and I go fucking start a rave, y'all. That's my shit. I look for people under pressure. My comfort zone. Pressure is my comfort zone.
You know what's fun about Wix chat? This is Wix before he drops his kids off. For some reason, I don't know what he does when he drops his kids off after, but he comes back, just wisdom, straight up.
Because I gotta go, and when I walk into when I go to the school, they all want to talk to me. I swear, everybody wants to start a conversation with me. From the security guard, who probably has nothing else to do the rest of the day, so he's like, I'm the highlight of his day, to like every teacher that meets me, to like every like second or third grader mama. Everybody want like, but everywhere I go, like everyone just wants to start a conversation. Everyone's like, "Oh, what about this? How'd you do that? And what do you think about that?" I'm like, "Yo, I think it's fucking 8 a.m., bitch, and I'm late to trade." Everywhere. So like, and when I gotta start talking to them, I can't be like, "Fuck all," right? Like I gotta talk to them, so I come back with a little.
So then when you come back, you just spit wisdom, and that's it on streams.
Yeah, I'm
Yo,
like,
chat.
'cause
I guarantee you, bro. You know, we can go on an example right now. Let's go on the live stream right now, because every day, this is funny because it's how it works. Go back to like, I don't know, a couple
you gotta
streams
be
ago.
like this, yeah. If you ain't got no energy in the morning, how the fuck the rest of your day gonna be? I'm dragging through it. You're gonna be like that Clear Eyes guy. Red eyes, use clear eyes, moisturize.
Alright,
Get
let's
some
keep
fucking
which
energy.
who comes late, right? Who comes like an hour late?
Well, stop
Still
playing
not here.
games.
There we go.
Yo, how you pick a day where I got the same shirt on? That's crazy. I never wear this. I never wear this shirt. All of a sudden, yo, I got this shirt. Is that today? I must have wore this shirt like twice in the last year. He picked the day that I got it.
No, that was a bad time because he came in during a trade. And usually when it comes to during a trade, things are more serious. It has to be like no trade, nothing going on that day. We just gotta be vibing out. It's like he goes, drops his kids out, comes back. It's like a new man. You never know Wix is 42. What you mean? He's 13, right?
11.
11. There you go. Yeah. Hold on, 42. That's funny. You have
Me?
no questions about charts or nothing.
True.
Nothing about trading, nothing. Just vibing. I like it. Everyone knows what the deal is.
Waiting for the closure. You've trained them. You've trained them well, Sensei.
It's
Sifu.
good.
kids got shadow banned from school. 100%. My kids are shadow banned. Like, you know, you guys don't understand. It's three little Wixes. Like when ratchet shit goes, like if the school goes on fire and it's on the news, I'm like, baby, we gotta move. We have to move again. We're gonna have to move. The kids have burned down the school again. I didn't even smoke today, chat. I haven't even smoked yet. I'm gonna smoke on my way to school. I'm away from school. Yeah.
Ooh, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. ADM opening here, guys. We have news in 30 minutes though, but I don't think this news is gonna come to it's gonna affect us too much today. It's a red folder, yeah, but Empire State Manufacturing Index. I'm not very familiar with this folder.
Get acquainted.
No, you have news today, yeah. Not very familiar with it though. And I don't know if I'm interested in these buys here on gold. Yo, where's your 1 hour resistance at? Is it here?
Oh, that's the latest one. But I think
Buys above here are a lot cleaner.
exactly, yeah, if you bring it up.
Yeah, that's where I had it. I don't know. I'm really not interested
A little
in
higher.
buys.
Mine's a little bit higher than yours.
This is a 30-minute resistance.
Oh,
The one
mine are a little bit
hour
higher.
is like up here somewhere. I think it was. Yeah, the 1 hour is like up here.
It depends on the closure we're getting, which we're getting right now.
The thing with chat. You need every trade I take. I need it to be like
Historic.
yeah, like there needs to be it's all probability, right? Like this trade doesn't meet all my requirements, and when things don't meet all my requirements, I'm okay with missing out. It's not really missing out because I'm just sticking to my plan, right? In this case, like I'm just not interested in buys in this area yet. It can drive up, don't get me wrong, it can definitely drive up here. Fucking 50 pips here, but I can care less if it does, right? It's just not it's not really my position to take here. So yeah, no, I mean I'm just gonna sit here and wait till 8:30 maybe 9. Just can't really do much here. As for GJ finally broke out the range here. You have the 1 hour closure outside the range, yeah. There's just no bottom wick on this 1 hour candle, but if we can come down, make a 1 hour bottom wick and then flip, that'd be perfect for buy stops.
I swear, that was exactly what I was saying. If you could come down and make a 1 hour bottom wick for the previous 1 hour, that would be perfect for them.
It is a 1 hour closure though, so it's pretty clear. It's pretty clean closure above.
We got a 168, 147 as a level here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm staying on gold buys. If you guys take gold buys, feel free to do so. I have no positions as you can see here. No buy stops, no sell stops.
It respected that bearish closure, also respected it perfectly on GJ. That previous 30. It was bearish, but still respecting.
Oh, it did. This one right here, right? I saw it earlier.
Yeah, there's a resistance a little higher. Yeah, exactly.
Right there.
Right, exactly, yeah.
30 minutes subtle replay, but this wick here is what we want to take advantage of from the 1 hour candle. That's the 1 hour wick flow, right? 30-minute starter plays up here. You're missing out on I think 10 pips. Overall, though, you still have 30 pip range going up. I'm more interested in GBPJPYs. It's just I need a bottom wick.
Good play here, or half and half. Are you looking at the break of the total, all the like overall highs?
30-minute starter play.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do half. I'm gonna break it a high and half on the celery.
Unless you got a bottom wick on this 1 hour count, then we just have a buy stop. Or I would just have a buy stop on the flip.
Yeah, at which point I'll take a full position.
What's the reason not taking gold? It's just I believe the FOREX account should be coming down and create through bottom wick. Obviously, I could be wrong, right? It's like not everything I say is like 100%. Like it's gonna play out the way I say it, but it just doesn't look valid to me. The 4H, because the daily one is heavily bearish today, right? The day can still flip at any given point. And you are tapping out into that daily resistance. If anything, you can tap like 663. Don't get me wrong, because there is another resistance up there. However, with this 1 hour closure above and the 4H having no bottom wick, I would expect us to create a bottom wick on a 4H, and as we do that, that's when the day will flip. It's not clear to me. It's just not like whenever I take a trade chat, you guys know how much like what's needed for me to take a trade. I need things to be on point, right? Everything to be on point. And when things are just a little off, I'm not taking a trade. Just by a little. You guys know how picky I am with trades, right? You guys seen the spreadsheet. You guys seen the way we trade. I'm very picky. This doesn't look right. It's just not a position I want to take.
Yeah, if there's a bit of indecision, then you shouldn't be. You know,
you need things to align everything
upon it. Because then once you're activated, it's not like everything's aligned. You still have that, that impulse, that ego, that indecision in your head. Like, shit, not everything aligned, but I took the trade. So now what? Now you're uncomfortable in a trade. You should never be uncomfortable in a trade.
Yeah. You want to be comfortable. Because then when you're uncomfortable in a trade, when you take a trade that you shouldn't be taking in the first place, right?
Hurts way more.
You start to feel impulsive, and then you might think, should I close here? Like this thing is flipping bearish now. Like you start to feel a bit more impulsive, right? But when you take trades that lines up off the rip, like everything makes perfect sense. You won't be down to trade at all.
Even if you're not an impulsive person, like you're inviting those feelings by not being 100% comfortable with the trade. You're inviting the impulsive, those unsure feelings, and sooner or later you might act on it. Right, so why invite the feelings that aren't welcome here? You should be completely optimizing it for yourself, where you're completely comfortable in the trade, and this is just something that you do, and you're very confident in the position. And at that point, there's no impulses. There's just it's just variables on the screen. It's just parameters that have to be met or not met for you to act. And no impulses, right? You don't even want to invite those feelings. Like, you don't want to be like going through that. You want to be comfortable and confident. Yep, shameless Asian session plug. Streaming Asian tonight, Wix. Of course we are. Monday through Thursday, we will be streaming Asian. So join us for the live Asian stream here on YouTube, 8 p.m. Eastern. We've been slaying it.
But like again, chat, just because I don't take positions, right? Like you guys don't have to question it. Like, just because I don't take positions doesn't mean you can't. I say it all the time too. This is just my analysis. This is what I'm waiting for. But you could take positions whenever you want, however you want. Just because some guy doesn't have the same idea as you doesn't mean it's invalid. Your idea is valid. It's just that guy's idea isn't invalid to himself, and everyone has their own validations in trading, right? Everyone has their own way of trading, right? So like it happens all the time too. Sometimes chat doesn't like my trades, I like my trades, or vice versa. Happens all the time. Just personal preference, through your own experience, not someone else's experience. So
Yeah.
Exactly, Daniel. When Don wins, don't give me credit. When I lose, don't blame me. I mistake my own trades.
Yeah. Don't be followers, Chad. Don't go with the flow. Be the flow.
The only way I'll take a buy here is if you form a support and then you break the highs or something. I don't see the buys going up. That's the only way though. I'm not really interested until that happens. And also being interested versus like expecting price to tap is two different things, by the way, right? Because I'm expecting price to tap 663 here. It's just that I'm not interested in buys. There's nowhere I can enter, right, with decent stops. But I would expect price to drive up here as long as it respects 65.7 to drive towards 663. Huge difference in trend, right? That was new people. Are we waiting for the 1 hour closure, 30-minute closure for GB? I am waiting for the
News.
I'm waiting for the 1 hour fine here.
Bottom wick.
The 1 hour is definitely fine. I'm just waiting for the bottom wick, yeah, and the flip will be the position I'll take. It's too late for buys now. I mean, yeah, I guess so. It's always too late. It's too late and it's too early. I feel like people who say like it's too late for things, too late for these positions, too late for that. A lot of it is just because there's no proof. There's no, I don't want to say proof, but there's no like, there's no.
No pudding.
There's no pudding.
The proof's in the pudding.
There's no analysis that shows that it's too late. Like, don't get me wrong, monthly is heavily bearish, weekly is heavily bearish, right? But people will say it's too late. It's just, it's more of an ego thing, right? Because we don't really know where the high really is. You don't know where the low really is. For all we know, price can drop all the way up to like 664. You have all its range going up, or it can definitely just break above here and drop all the way up to here. Like, there's, your job as a trader is to always just to follow the trend so it breaks, and not to just expect price to reverse or try catch the reversals, because that's just you coming in first place, right? You should be focused on coming in second place, right? Like, they think of it all the times you try to come in first place. How many times do you actually win? Because you're going against the markets, bro. You're not going to win against the markets. You're never going to win, right? However, if you focus on coming in second place, more times you'll win because you're just focusing on catching or following the trend that it's currently moving in, right? Because like, there's a lot of times on social media where people post like their wick entries. Yes, you know, all the time too, right? But they don't really show like how many times it took them to get that wick entry. They didn't have a wick entry here, but it could have taken them like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Right, and all those positions could be in drawdown.
They should say position number 8.
Right, but they don't want to show that because they just want to show a wick position, which is fine. I get it, but whereas you follow the trend, like, it's just like one and done. It's like you're in and you're out, and that's it. That's all you caught, and that's what you're fine with. That's all I like the way we trade. Hop on a trend, catch a piece of it, and then hop off. Wait for the next trend to form. Boom. Or follow the current trend again, right? There's no need to do like guesswork, right? There shouldn't be guesswork in FX.
Yeah, like nothing about your breakdown should be arbitrary. Nothing should be able to be questioned by somebody. Like, why did you do this? Why'd you do that? And you don't have like a clear answer, just like because I felt like it. No, or because I seen it. Like, there's got to be a reason, right? Clear reason. Otherwise, it can't be copied or emulated. Like your feelings can't be emulated. We can't teach that. So like things have to be like tangible, like physical. It has to be a clear explanation for why you did this. That's why the strategy is so great. It simplifies things and puts them into and defines them, gives them definitions and meanings. But then this strategy creates a workflow of things that need to happen in order for you to take a trade, right? So it's very simple, very easy to follow a workflow. When you go to a job and they do a training, right? They teach you their workflow because it's the simplest way to get you to start doing what they're doing in order to like, fall in line with their practices. Same thing here. Just in order for you to get in tune with our practices, you have to follow our workflow, and that's what's great about this is this strategy has a fucking workflow. Things need to happen in order, in the specific order for us to be able to, even consider positions. Anyway, Chad, it's that time again. Stay off the Florida sidewalks. There might be a car sliding past you in the near future. I'll be back in about half hour.
Half hour.
I'll be quick. Oh, they all want to talk to me. I told you.
Alright, drive safe, homie.
All right.
We might be off by then.
What's that?
Kidding. New week, where's the volume at? I know. It's only on Monday though. I'm not really expecting much for today, to be honest. I'm not expecting much. What is it today? The 17th, right? The 17th today? Yeah. G-Bond wick broke its own low. I didn't. Talking about I want the previous 1 hour candle to make a wick. I wanted to break 167.791 and then flip. That's what I wanted. Which broker are you using directly on TradingView? None. I'm using Blueberry Markets MT5. I'm trading on TradingView. Waiting on Goldman trade to fill a wick. I took it on opening at NY. For what, buys? I mean, it's valid. you just came down crazy through on a wick. I mean, the 1 hour closure above here. I mean, the thing is, like, if it's your trade and you took it because you closed above the range, then it's valid. Just trust your analysis, right? But you can't ask me because I wasn't interested in these buys just yet. I'm interested in buys going up towards 64, but just not yet. I wanted to see why I drew up earlier, the onion here form, or yeah, the onion play form. Also, you have news in 15, but be aware of that. Beware of news in 15. But yeah, technically, like, closure above here, it should continue to drive to fill the rest of the wick, or rest of the range here. To fill this range to the left. You recommend using Oanda? Let me think. Oanda, well, what do you have? 100 leverage? No, 150 leverage? Big spreads? Big spreads. Because of what are the spreads? 2 pips, 3 pips, right? What else they have? It's regulated. That's a good thing. Right? It's regulated. And commissions are part fat. How much is one lot on Oanda? I use Blueberry because Blueberry 1, it's regulated. Right? Blueberry is regulated. Blueberry markets. It's regulated. Small spreads. Like 0.10 or 0.1 to like 1 pip on GJ and gold. Gold usually like a pip. And then you have no commission on gold. That's a no-brainer for me. It's 100 on Blueberry or on Oanda. Oanda's not a bad broker. Don't get me wrong, but if they're both regulated, then this offers me higher leverage and no spreads on gold or no commissions on gold and small spreads, and I'm a scalper. It makes sense for me to trade in Blueberry and not Oanda. Oanda spreads are a little wider. It's harder for me to trade. By the time I'm like 10 pips in profit, that's like the 10 pip spread it gives. Hugo's Wave? Oh brother. If you use Hugo's Wave, man, I know exactly where you came from. But don't worry, we all been there. If I came from Hugo's Wave, oh no, if you're trading Hugo's Wave, you definitely came from iMarkets Live. That's what introduced you to FX, wasn't it? iMarkets is a good broker. It's just I can't use them. I'm not from my Canada, they don't accept Canadian clients anymore, and they stopped accepting Canadian clients. KLTFX, I've used that before. I've used Oanda, KLTFX, I use a lot of brokers, but I haven't been like, I think my favorite broker of all time was Vantage FX, but this is before they rebranded. Vantage FX before they rebranded was a lot better. Hey, gold crate is super wick, right? Should be good. Should be good here to drive. I think it has like a 30 pip range going up here. It's just that you have news in about 10 minutes here. But should be good to drive up now. And GJ still hasn't done anything. Oh yeah, you have Comex. Yeah, that's what it was. Hold on, we have some snacks. Hold on. All right, all right, all right. News in 4 minutes here. News in 4 minutes here. Who's ready to see price move? Let's see what it does. Data highs didn't break yet. Coming close. If you break above 16.72 today, that'll be great. That'd be interesting. What things will affect price? I don't really have high expectations, but we never really trade news anyways. Not gonna start now, obviously, but yeah, I don't expect that. I don't expect much to happen. What's trade buy stop self stops? No buy stop self stops, man. I haven't taken position since Friday. I haven't done much this week. Simply just waiting. It's only on Monday. Right. Probably gonna be 9 a.m. If it's not 9 a.m., then call it a day, to be honest. Right? Because you have news at 8:30, and then you have the 8:45, last 15 of the 4H, and at that point, you want to wait for the 4-hour close. So let's see what it does. How much pay signals? ControlFX.com. Prices are there. Yeah, you can see it triggers the news. Yeah. You can see it triggers the news. Because it was too close to news, but like the trade wasn't bad by the time it hit like 18 when it was starting to when it came down, broke the lows, and then came to re-break the highs. But it was just too close to news for me. If there wasn't news, yeah, maybe. But since there was news, I just stayed up. But not really my position to take. Can't say I missed it, right? It wasn't my move. We expect the price to drive up. Yeah, we said earlier we expect the price to drive out towards 6.3, but as for like entering, this is not my trade I can take. So not really my move. Just waiting here, just waiting patiently. You can't get FOMO though, right, chat? If it wasn't your move, you can't get FOMO. You can't FOMO over something that you weren't preparing for. Makes no sense. But why is 30-minute count open up? It's not even 8:30 yet. Oh wait, it is. Now it is. I was gonna say. Okay. Looks like 30 close above. So with the 30 close and above, technically it should drop up now towards 16.67 here. Range going up is around 30 pips, but I don't think we'll get positions to like 9. This 4-hour close will be interesting though. Very interesting. How numbers come out? Neutral or bad numbers? Yeah, I don't really have experience of Empire State Manufacturing Index, but I wasn't expecting much to happen. And who knows? For all we know, could Empire in.
I guess we'll never know.
All right. Think they can make a bottom wick? We'll see. Can't really say. I don't think we can't think, right? We can only see. They didn't break the highs yet. We know that. They didn't break the highs yet. But let's see. There's really no talk for sells until you break below like 65.7. This is anything above here is still a bullish structure right now on a small time frame, right? Jit popped off, right? 30-minute start play would have been activated, but how much would I have given you? 13, BE'd, and then that's it, right? 30 flip on GJ ain't bad. Oh, never mind. There's a resistance right around there. Right around here. Yeah. Gotta relax, you know, chat. It's a Monday. Just like Friday. I told you guys to relax on Friday too. You guys get too worked up over pushes and moves, right? Or drawdown. You gotta stay calm, collective. You can't be too surprised when things like this happen though. Like, I wasn't surprised like when go drove. Right? It's just you expect it. You expected to drive. You expect these things to happen. Once you gain enough experience in the markets, you expect these things to happen. It's just it comes down to just your comfortability for positions and RR and another nuances during a trade, like news for instance today, right? But you can't feel too surprised. You can't be like, oh shit, this thing just drove. Like, you can't expect these things to happen over time. You just gotta stay calm. Thoughts on GTI stop and short? I'm not interested in sales today till 167.253. But if you want to take positions and you feel like here's the thing. When you guys ask me these questions, like, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? I can give you my perspective, but at the end of the day, you should always trust your own perspective, your own analysis, because that's what matters the most. Your own analysis. I can give you like a perspective, maybe, but that shouldn't affect your analysis, right? Otherwise, you'll be too impulsive. You shouldn't be impacted by what I say. Through your own experience, you should be trusting your analysis. That's what works the best. I think if I were to restart my trading journey, that's what I would have done from the start. Just trust my own analysis and you know, sample size as much as I can, as much as possible. Because I don't know the way you trade, right? Someone else could trade differently and ask me a question. It's just two different perspectives. Can I still play music now? Should we try some music, chat? Fuck it. Again? Or nah? We got blackballed earlier. Yo, chat, if you guys do enjoy your streams today, make sure to leave a like, sub to the channel. 125 likes, chat? Come on. You guys can do better than 125 likes. Like, I don't know what's up with you guys in likes, chat, but for some reason, when I stopped asking for them a couple months ago, you guys should stop liking at all. It should be the opposite. When I stop asking, that's when you guys should be liking. 150 likes only, guys? Come on. Come on. I know we had 2 streams today, but still. It's not that hard to leave a like. It's a like button. Why start streaming at 9 AM now? Because at quarter four volume tends to be a bit lower. So try to finish off my days a bit earlier. But I don't always finish up at 9. Sometimes I might still at 9:30, maybe 10 still. But usually like quarter four, I'll hop off earlier than usual. channel shout ban? I don't think so, because it's still here. I don't know if shout ban's a thing on YouTube. I don't think it's a thing on YouTube. Because it wouldn't pop up in people's feed. So I find a channel. Maybe you gotta refresh. Because earlier on it was hard because our stream got copyrighted, but it's good here. Like, you know? Videos pop up. We gotta refresh DBS, my god. I don't think shot ban's a thing on YouTube. I could be wrong, but I wouldn't have viewers if it was shot banned. Right? It's a little toxic. I mean, hopefully not. When videos is blocked on the copyright ground by SMC. What is SME? Google, my guy. Google. What is copyright SME? Based off a sound recording called Countdown, or called by whatever song, right? Small and medium sized enterprises. Google, man. Is that showing recommended? No, because when I check my... No, it's impossible because if we wouldn't have jumped viewers today, we wouldn't have jumped viewers after. Also, if you're subbed to it, it can't be showing recommended because it's not showing your subs, right? So many people who are unsubbed. Because I'm pretty sure it's still recommended because when I check my stats and it shows like what channels recommend my streams after, or what channels recommends my streams, so it's still there. What happened to Marcos? Nothing. I talk to him every day. Oh, can't. Today was a lot different though, because I played music earlier. Because earlier it wasn't even recommended for me. It wasn't even showing up here, but the second stream is showing up here. I'm pretty sure it's here. I'm pretty sure we're good. Yo, that dollar. Appreciate the 999. How's life? Life is good right now. Life is good. Life is very good. Just chilling, same old shit. Same thing. Same life I've lived this year. Start of the year. I haven't done anything too crazy. Need a quick 2-minute chat call? Just DM me on Instagram. I always reply to DMs. Always. As we speak. Right now, probably. See all these DMs? They're all open messages. Not a lot of people out there with you know, followers like this. They reply to DMs. I get like at least 100, 150 DMs a day. So yeah, man. I'm always here to reply to them, don't worry. All DMs. Unless you're asking for money, bro. If you're asking for money, I'm sorry, but you're blocked. Or you're not getting blocked, you're getting restricted. Where's Biggs? Biggs probably stopped trading, to be honest. I don't know. This is why I'm very strict when it comes to like people who come on my Zoom call, right? It's like I want people who are like, I know they're gonna be here for a long time, not just like they have a bad week and they're off of it. That's happens to a lot of people. Rez is still here. Marco's just doing some other stuff, and also he got tired of the YouTube chat because you guys were being like very, in his terms, annoying. It's just, it gets repetitive. Like, don't get me wrong, I get it. Like, I can deal with it, but I don't know. Marcos couldn't deal with it. He didn't like seeing the same shit all day in chat, you know. He also like, it's not really a chat. It's more so the industry. He's got tired of the industry. The industry's kind of whack, which I don't blame him. Yeah, Diva's mod god, bro. I can be a mod when you ask me these questions. Being a mod, you should be here every day annoying. What's up? Mod god, you come you come like 2-3 times a week. Yo, Sharif, what are you drawing on the screen, Sharif? Come on. Sharif's testing out the waters. It's like, yo, Sharif, if you wanna learn how to draw like candlesticks like me, I could help. Yo, Sharif getting hacked or something? See, Rez is there. What up, Panna? Goes up? Yeah, it's close to breaking day highs. Very close. Yeah, this industry is ass. I don't blame you. The thing about me streaming is that this is honestly, even if I wasn't streaming, I'd be doing the same thing. If anything, if I wasn't streaming, I'll be maybe doing other tasks while I wait for accounts to close. But usually it's just waiting for the same setups. It's just that when I stream it, it's like you guys have to see my trades live, right? Obviously, because I don't trade for YouTube. I trade for myself, obviously, right? So if I wasn't streaming, I'd be doing the same thing. It's just I'll have time to do other things as well. Yeah, I don't know. Are you gonna take a trade or not? Yes, of course. Look at the bottom right of our screen. Look how many trades it's taken this year. is a spreadsheet that has every trade been taken this year. Yes, we do take trades, but you can't just expect me to take a trade. You can't just like I can't just take a trade just because I want to take a trade. That's like me trading for YouTube. You know, that's not how trading works. There's things I'm waiting for here, and if you pay attention, if you actually pay attention to what I say, you would have known that I'm waiting for 9 a.m. here. All right, to see how we close at 9 a.m. Then 9 a.m. 9:15 is your next potential positions. But until then, we just gotta wait and chill here. Not much I can do. Are you waiting for a reversal? No, I'm looking for buys too. It's just I'm waiting for this 4-hour close. Man, these questions still on Monday. I don't know why this chat, but you guys gotta relax. There's a lot of new faces in chat today. It makes sense though. Wix, you're back.
Yeah, man.
Finally. Need help today, bro. Like some of the chat, it's just something's not right today. It's a weird day. Very odd, strange, unique
That's
day.
Normal. That's normal. You telling me chat's always on point? No. It's
No, today
Chad has market cycles. Chad goes through cycles.
the cycles are when the markets are
chat
volatile
cycles.
or markets are dead. That's why.
And then there's the long weekend chat that comes in after a long weekend that missed. Then there's slouchy Chad. Chat cycles. You know it. You've lived through a few of them.
Of course.
What the fuck is gold doing?
For me, it's driving up. It's clean traffic to 1671 here.
I see it. I see the clean traffic. I see the clean traffic. Am I the only one that sees the clean traffic, chat?
Good morning, Rashid. What's up? Your favorite Asian live streamer? Asian session live streamer? Yeah. Wix is the best Asian session live streamer out there. Rush an NHL stream, bro? I mean, I'll write it up. The game just came out.
Am I the only Asian session live streamer? Is that why you're saying that?
Nah, you're I think there's a lot of Asian session live streamers. Asian
it's like 3
session
total.
Forex live trading. There's this guy, there's this guy, there's this guy, there's this guy, there's this.
What? She's not Asian.
Wow. There's a lot of people streaming Asian session.
I don't know. Where am I? Why am I nowhere on there? What
There's
do
a
I
lot
need to do
of
to be on there?
a lot of people streaming Asian.
Do I need to add keywords, or what do I need to do to be on this list right now?
I don't know, but whatever you're doing, it works because you have the most viewers for Asian session, and
yeah, but I don't pop up if you
yeah,
search,
you
so
don't pop up. Maybe because your keywords.
I don't have any keywords.
Oh, sorry, this girl. Sorry. Chat, I don't know who these people are. I'm just, going by I'm just saying things. I don't know who they are. My mistakes. My mistakes.
Chat, do you know how to work the YouTube algorithm and make the shit pop off so when you search for it, it shows up? Send me fucking advice. Just DM me. Or, I don't know. I gotta figure this shit out. I'm not good. I'm not good at these things. Don had a Marcos, but Marcos is MIA.
Maybe your Reza said, "Yo, hit up Reza, bro. He will help you out. Hit up Reza on Discord."
Let's just give Reza access. Just do it.
This is who you should follow on Asian session. The GOAT. The most viewed Asian session stream. With 250 viewers every Asian session. If you look at 4-hour GG gives tapping, so 168 and flipping back down to 160. That 160. Godly. That's like 800 pips.
Thank you, Rosa. I appreciate you.
Here's the thing, though. Here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. The 4H, yeah, there's a 4 resistance here, right? But look, what's the difference, though? This is when this is when looking at the high time frame is very key. So everyone pay attention here. Everyone in the chat, pay attention here. So someone is like, done. Look at the 4 hour time frame. Look left. Last time it came up here, rejected. But here's the thing. You have to be able to understand the different time frames revolving around the 4 hour. For example, the weekly. Go on the weekly. What's one thing you notice here in the weekly? Like, what's the difference between... So that 4 hour candle that you're talking about, this right here, is from June 22nd. That's in June, right? 22? Or June 2022. Go on the weekly. What happened on June 2022 on the weekly? What was it doing? It was just pushing up. It was this candle was pushing up, but it never closed, right? So if you look at the current candle, this candle right here, this candle actually closed above the range, indicating that you have a breakout, right? There's a huge difference between this candle compared to all these weak candles to the left-hand side. Rejection, 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 rejection. Never have you ever closed above. So this weekly candle closing above indicates that you're actually breaking above. And that indicates that, okay, looking left, you can drive up towards next resistance now towards 172. So that's the difference between the 4 hour time frame from June to this 4 hour candle. Is that the higher time frame, which is a weekly, is actually breaking out the range, right? So that's what you kind of gotta you have to pay attention to most of the times when you're trading. You gotta pay attention to the higher time frames and create that story for yourself there, right? It's not always just one time frame. Like, for example, like go to gold, for instance. Like, why did gold drive here and not these counts to the left? Right, this is a 30-minute time frame. On the 15 and stuff, yeah, it closed above, but the 30, not once has it ever closed above until when? Until this candle here. So this candle closed above. That indicates that you're breaking above, and therefore now you have clean trap driving up towards 1664. Same idea there. The closures are very key. It doesn't just work for a 30-minute time frame, it works for the high time frame as well, right? Same analysis, same structure. Yeah, but your thumbnail gotta be updated too, bro. Like, no one's not clicking this shit. I'm not gonna lie.
That's funny. We're actually right now as we're talking, Broly's just sent me a thumbnail.
Like, not gonna lie, bro. If I seen this shit on YouTube, I'm not clicking on this, bro.
Yo, get the fuck out of here. You're supposed to be hyping this shit up. Yo, look at that thumbnail. Check out the colors. Look at the contrast.
But your shit is good because even though your thumbnail is ass and your stuff is ass, like, your streams are still lit though because it's through word of mouth. It's not through like, because if you have a sick thumbnail, people click on it. It's usually through like
it's not the right audience.
Yeah. It's like how do I say it? It's the public, right? But when you have these thumbnails and you still have viewers, it means it's all word of mouth, and word of mouth is like more of a cult following, and that is more value over time.
Join the fucking live streams for the value. Fuck the thumbnail, yo. Join us for the trades. We've been fucking smashing this month, and for the last month we've been fucking killing it. Fuck the thumbnails, yo. I don't need to make that shit look pretty, but we're gonna have a pretty thumbnail. Probably tonight. Like,
good thumbnails are good to grow a channel and shit. But like, as for like your viewers and stuff, like, you're doing fine. You have enough volume, of course. Not every day though, but there's days where you do have volume.
Like, we had 2 trades last Asian, but the 2 previous Asians we had no trades. You know what I mean? So it kind of bounces out. I think we average about 3 trades a week. 2 to 3 trades a week in Asia. Still good. So show up, be there. Where should we stream? At 8 p.m. Eastern, Asian session live stream. So 8 to 10, roughly. Hey, come in.
But no, it's good though. It's like cult followings are a lot better. I'm not saying like cult followings. I'm just saying like having like people who just message you just for you. It's better because those are the real ones, right? You want to have like few people coming by and one day hyping you up, the next day calling you an L trader, right? It happens all the time. But like if you guys look at our chat mainly consists of people who are very consistent, who show up often. Like I can recognize almost everyone's name. Like they know how things work here, and then there's new people who come by, it's just like yell out shit that are relevant. Like sell gold now, for instance. Someone just said that, right? It's like first time coming by the stream, just it's like this is not that community. Like this isn't that typical forced community where it's just like you come into our Discord and just spam up like different channels and like it's like, oh, your strategy is garbage, blah blah. Like that's not what our community is. Our community isn't like that. And that's the difference.
Brother, how much you pay for those signals? He said I sold. What's the stop?
Like we have more of like a, I don't know, like a family community. Like it's not just, oh, hop in a Discord, let's see who can swing their dick bigger. Like, bro, no one cares about your sniper entry, bro. Like, sorry. We here to grow here together as traders, not fucking who got the most pips tonight. Can you explain how you would have executed a buy in GJ? Things I didn't take a buy in GJ, so I can't really explain how.
Ah shit. The 5 minute. The 5 minute. Check out the go 5 minute. Ah shit. Snipers pointing their fucking rifles right now.
A 5 minute. Yes. With this the 1 hour
I said the snipers are getting their shit ready right now. We don't trust governments, no refunds, no financial advice. Follow Reza.
That's a big ass phone, bro. Godly. Dude, that selfie you posted of you in the gym was a hard photo. It's just the phone kind of ruined the whole photo.
What? What you talking about, Willis?
The shit you posted.
The phone?
That was a hard photo.
Yeah.
It's just the phone kind of ruined the whole photo.
How did the phone ruin it? The shit's an extra $1,400 in the photo. It's in my hand.
Should have spent your $400 wisely.
In the form of a phone.
Sure, just spent the $400 wisely.
Yo, this music, bro.
I know, bro. This music got me sleepy today, man. I wanna hop off here. All right, yo. Let me just break down this forward counter real quick, man, because yeah. So this forward counter here, on gold here, as you can see, closed back into this range here. The range, I know Wixon does want to hear us too, but closing back into the range here, and by the looks of it looks like we should continue to drive up now towards the resistance at the 1675 mark, just because we're back into this range now, right? So yeah, I mean, high chance you have to drive up here towards like 1674. Range going up is around 8 pips. It's not bad. As for buy positions, buys for me today would let's see. I think there's a minor resistance on 30-minute time frame. I say anything above here wouldn't be too bad for buys. Anything above 1667 here, because that range going up is clean. It's a 4-pip range going up to the left. It's not bad.
Nah, fuck that. I ain't taking no buys.
But to be honest, chat, like being realistic, I don't think I'll be trading today. I think I'm gonna call it a day, to be honest, because I wanted sells initially, and I wanted sells below like 65.3, and for us to get back down there now, it's gonna take a couple of counts for that to happen. And for buys, I even though the small time frame is cleaner, the 4H and 30 and 1 hour, the daily, like I wanted to break the highs first, which is at 6.72. But honestly, yeah, I'm okay with not taking a trade today. I took no trades today. I haven't taken a trade since Friday, and I'm completely fine with that, to be honest. This is how my month's been going, though. I'll show you guys the month of October here. You guys can see the bottom, but because the screen is like pop, but you see it? There we go. That's my month so far of October. Not bad. Last week was 100% weak though. Last week, I think we were yeah, this is last week. Not bad. Not bad weeks. But to be honest, I think the day is chalked here, guys. We can definitely still push for a day. There can definitely still be volume, but I don't know if I want to stay anything past 9:30 here today. So I'm okay with calling it a day and just come on the charts tomorrow. You know, I think tomorrow should be a chill day as well. Tomorrow you have no news. You have like maybe, yeah, all yellow folders, no red, no orange, nothing. And then Wednesday's a chill day as well. So it's only a Monday. Should be stressed, right, chat? If you guys caught positions today, congratulations, good shit. You're ahead for the week, right? I'm still chilling here. I haven't taken one position yet, but let's do a wordle here, and then let's call it a day, and then move on to tomorrow. All right, sounds good. Sounds good, Wix.
I'm with it.
Why are you laughing? That's not stressing. Trade. Hey, what song is this, chat? What song is this? Sounds familiar. Dun, 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 dun. It sounds familiar. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I know the song. What's it called though? Pop Smoke Dior, bro. Huh.
What?
All right, let's do a wordle, man. Moist.
What? Need an E.
Messy.
Need a T.
I'm not in the mood for anything today. Okay, Nest. Nesty.
Stone.
Stoned?
Can't be E at the end.
Stone.
No, E at the end cannot be there.
I'm gonna do it.
Don't do it.
I'm gonna do it. Too lazy to think.
I do it. I dare you.
2 E's. Fuck it. Okay, we should be more smart about this. More smart about this. Stems. Stems.
It's 2 S's.
Oh.
If you guessed that, motherfucker. It could have been steep.
Oh. Fuck it. Back to back degen guess. Hold on, we can be a bit smart about this. I think it's 2 E's or something though. Fuck it, let's do steep. Let's get out the way. Alright, now we can play. Now we can play for real. Steps. You look high as shit right now.
I'm trying to fucking zoom in with my eyes onto this little ass zoom screen you got going on. Chat, letters on fucking YouTube are this big. On Zoom, they're this big. They're smaller than my fucking nail. Yo, sub to Dom Vo's IG for more art and fucking follow his art class. Get the art class signals. Draw my bandana. Hold on. Oh, yo. This Zoom sucks. I can mute and unmute myself, and you took away the annotate. I can't annotate on here.
Oh, my bad. I turned it off because Sharif was drawn earlier.
Who?
Sharif was drawing like random stuff earlier by accident or something. I don't know what he was doing.
Damn. Smoking a fucking Firebird exhaust. What the fuck is that? Yo, you better put some traps in that bitch. That is the least muscular fucking Comrade Wicks I've ever seen. What the fuck? Look like a fucking revolutionary over here. Yo, could somebody fucking flip that? That's the new thumbnail right there. What's the deal?
Oh shit. No. What's the deal? And then you got me on the other side. Me on the other side.
Big ass glasses.
Yo, can we finish this word on call that a day? Yo, let's focus. Stewie. Yo, is this a word? Stewie?
No.
So we still have a Y in there. It can be like steel. Stebs? The stack. Let's see.
I think it's something and then a vowel.
BY, right?
It's either a Y or something. I think at the end. You. That's a terrible guess. Why would you do that?
At least it's a word. I think it'll be a word.
Oh,
No, it wasn't a terrible guess because now we know what a Y is. Why do I look higher than you? Why? Who drew this? The Wix Andross. Why you make me look higher than this guy? Chat, who looks more fried? This guy? Or this guy? Definitely the guy on the right. There's no shot. Wix, why do I look higher than you? I'll look like this.
be proud of who you are, man. It is what it is.
Today's the most
Take it.
horrific. You know what it was today? Because the string got like messed up earlier. So that's what probably put us in like a more of like a chill mood today. Just whatever mood.
Oh, that's it. Stein. I don't even know if that's a word. That's a last name.
Stein.
Yeah.
If you don't get this, we're done.
Or we'll know if there's an I in there.
Oh my god! How is that? What does that mean?
What's a
What's
haters
a-
will say we cheated.
What's a Stein? Stone. What? This is German. A large mug. Wow.
There we go, chat. W stream.
Yeah, we're done. We're done for the day, guys.
The Wix thing.
It's a 13-ounce glass of beer. Yeah, I don't drink beer. You drink beer, Wix?
Once in a while. You know what? My father has a collection of 1,000 Steins. So it's alright.
Her father.
My father.
Steins.
I have a lot of them. I have pictures.
This is what I want.
Nah, it's just a regular mug. You get on a really nice thing.
Yes, these are Steins, right? Like this?
He be cheating. Paul. You know, honestly, chat, if I was watching, I'd be like, damn, that motherfucker cheating. No, that's just the way my mind works. Sometimes there's no guesses. Sometimes the shit's right on point.
Oh, these are kind of cool though. Look at the details on this.
I'm impressed myself. Oh yeah,
Are they handmade, like hand carved and stuff?
Yeah, and typically they're like souvenirs. Like some people get keychains, some people get steins, and like my father's got one from like every place, every city or country that he's visited. He gets one. You know, you go to Holland, you go to Germany, you get it, and they're pretty dope.
Damn.
Budweiser used to make holiday
These
ones.
look kind of cool.
Yeah,
It shows when they were made too.
yeah.
1893. Golly. Yeah, these are kind of cool, man. I like these. I don't drink beer, but these are kind of cool. I like the detail on them.
You would never drink from that shit though.
Yeah, you don't.
Yo,
Oh,
look.
that's fire. This is 1985 Budweiser one. That's kind of cool.
That's the yeah. That my pops has that.
Damn. Chad, you guys drink beer?
Yeah.
Oh, this is hard. Nah, never mind. It's not as hard as I thought. Yeah, these are cool, man. Coin FXB. Oh, this is hard. I like this one. That's cool. Got the colors on this. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That's fire. Now I want to watch Game of Thrones for some reason. You watch Game of Thrones?
Yeah, I saw the whole thing.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I saw the first episode.
No, you gotta watch the whole thing.
And the
Watch
last
the first
episode.
season. Watch the first season.
All right, chat. Have a good one, sir. I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern as per usual. Sorry for the chalk stream today. We weren't really there today, to be honest. But it's okay. Nothing much happened, anyways, right? We'll be on tomorrow. We'll sign Stream Nation tonight at 8:02 p.m. Eastern. So be there for his stream. He gets good amount of viewers there, so come by. DVS gang will be there, obviously.
Fuck the viewers. Be there for the value.
Yeah, be there for the value drop. He drops insane knowledge every day, and vibes. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, as per usual. So have a good day today, guys. Sorry for the chop stream today. YouTube got me today, but it's alright. Love you guys, as always.
Peace.
But you know what, YouTube? Since I'm hopping off now, I'm gonna play whatever I want to play. So you guys can't ban me. That's not how it works, my guy. If they shut down the stream, then the stream is over. But at least you get to vibe out.
Worse. Motherfucker never loved us. Fucker never loved us. You ain't know now, you know now. Still at the scrub J's with a toothbrush. Shit. Niggas still playing my old shit. But your shit is like the police asking us questions. Nigga, we don't know shit. Flex. Nigga, I'm just flexing. Niggas never loved us. Do a little like we stress. Look at you, and look at you. I'm glad that they chose us. Command and submission, try to fight to the finish just to see my finish. On my worst behavior, no. They used to never wanna hear us. Remember? Motherfucker never loved us. Remember? Motherfucker. Remember? Motherfucker never loved us. I'm on my worst behavior. Don't you ever get it fucked up. Motherfuckers never loved us. Man, motherfuckers never loved us. Worst behavior. Motherfuckers never loved us. Fucker never loved us. Worst behavior. Hold up, hold my phone. Motherfuckers never loved us. Fucker never loved us. Now you wanna roll one. Motherfucker never loved us. So everywhere we go now, full cup. Always hated the boy, but now the boy is the man, motherfucker. I do it up. You know me. You know me. I'm liable to do anything when it comes to that. You owe me. You owe me. You owe me. Bitch, you better have my money when I come for the shit like ODB.
Ungrateful niggas I don't like.
A fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like.
Bang bang.
A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like.
Bang bang.
A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like.
Bang bang.
Sneak niggas, that's that shit I don't like.
They smile in my face is what I don't like. They steal your whole sound, that's a sound bite. The media crucify me like they did Christ. They wanna find me not breathing like they found Mike. A girl will run her mouth only out of spite, but I never hit a woman, never in my life. I was in too deep like Makai Fife. And that pussy so deep I could've drowned twice. Rose gold, Jesus peace with the brown ice. Eating good vegetarian with the brown rice. Girls kissing girls, cause it's hot, right? But unless they use a strap on, then they not dykes. They ain't about that life, they ain't about that life. We hanging out the window, it's about to be a Suge night. Free bump, Jay, real nigga for life. Shout out to Derrick Rose, man that nigga nice. Shout out to LEP, J Boogie, right? Chief Keef, King Louis, this is Shy, right? Right?
A fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Sneak niggas, that's that shit I don't like. Don't like. A snitch, nigga, that's that shit I don't swing that way, right, swing to the fake. Gucci, that's that shit I don't like.
Bobby,
Woo. Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. Don't get it fitted. Toe off the bow in a Bentley. Fucking your hoe in the kidney. Fuck up the city. I do not dance or jiggy. Gun is sucked under this Fendi. I like it, I spin it. I just came right out the jewelry, the ice on my neck and my wrist and my fist. I ain't finished. I was just working at Denny's. Came back and counted some millions. I ain't no regular civilian. Red, yellow, green. Look like my neck a chameleon. Okay, spin it. Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. I hate this bitch, he offended. I'm a Da Vinci offended. Then let me finish. I cracked that Chevy for 40. My scammer busting bottles off the OA. I cannot cuss you fucking on my bros. I'm just gonna fucking treat it like a throwaway. Ooh, damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. I'm at the mall out in business. I need a swipe in a digit. Calling up Kales. He did 250 on Biddy. It ain't no biggie. Montclair kicky. Fuck that little bit made a video. She wanna leak it. She wanna send it. Ayy, fuck that bitch. My face wasn't in it. Damn, bitch do scams all beat it. Bands in my hand look pretty. Hit another band on the gram, I'm lit it. When I was broke, man, she fronted. But then I got rich and I hit it. Homie, I don't dance, I jiggy. Weed is so strong, I feel like I'm Popeye off the spinach. I cut the corner and bend it. Bitch, I'm a menace like Dennis. Don't sell me pussy, I need a percentage. If you gon' fuck me, this shit is expensive. Nordstrom rack, swipe my gift. Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. Ay. I ain't been broke in a minute. Damn. I there should be no more. So for one last time, nigga, make some noise. Get him, Jay. Who you know fresher than Hov? Riddle me that. The rest of y'all know where I'm lyrically at. Can none of y'all mirror me back? Yeah, hear me rap, it's like hearing G rap in his prime. I'm young H.O., raps Grateful Dead. Back to take over the globe, now break bread. I'm in Boeing Jets, Global Express. Out the country, but the blueberries still connect. On the low, but the yacht got a triple deck. But when you young, what the fuck you expect? Yep. Grand opening, grand closing. Goddamn your manhole, crack the can open again. Who you gonna find open in him with no pen? Just draw inspiration. Who you gonna see you can't replace him with cheap imitations of these generations? Hardcore, do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn balls. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Yeah. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, nigga, make some noise.
What the hell are you waiting for?
Look what you made me do, look what I made for you. Knew if I paid my dues, how will they pay you? When you first come in the game, they try to play you. Then you drive a couple of hits, look how they wait to you. From Marcy to Madison Square, to the only thing that matters is just a matter of years. As fate would have it, J status appears to be at an all-time high. Perfect time to say goodbye. When I come back like Jordan, we're in the 4-5. It ain't to play games with you, it's to aim at you, probably maim you. If I owe you, I'm blowing you to smithereens. Cocksucker, take one for your team, and I need you to remember one thing. I came, I saw, I conquered. For record sales, sold out concerts. So motherfucker, if you want this encore,
Hey bro, is that Jambo?
What is that stage for us? Kicking up cold mirrors. Yeah, we could be
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga out rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being the daddy to my little children. I been spinning on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you ain't never step or help with none of you killing. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack you in front of the witness. Damn, my nigga, you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, my nigga, you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Can't help it, now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin. Yeah, cut those business, KTV, back door wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All of you niggas gon' die. Time rolling, bustin' on my opponent, no how I'm stepping. Crush my arms totally, wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cage to stage to cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka 28 Carvin. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, my nigga, you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Can't help it, now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off on the bit. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So they done ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin.
Yeah, we could be superstars.
Super gremlin.
But I'm pretty sure our time is up.
Now your time
And
is
so
up.
we fell off the spinning tops. Don't know, maybe for trial, but way more error.
I ain't sliming, I'm grinding. Anyway you put it, I'm SG with it. I'm a super gremlin. Snatch and grab, sneak and geek. Like we gang. Trust.
That's just some shit that you don't do. I'ma stay right for my real niggas. That's just some shit that I'm gonna do. Fuck all the comments. Let's fuck off the comments. Let's do this shit round. Yeah. my cup, yeah. I just bought my plug, yeah. Full of the mud, yeah. Nigga get full of them drugs, yeah. Feeling real right, yeah. I'm on the same thing as Mike, yeah. Bought a little ice, yeah. I wanna beat that dough like Ike, yeah. Fuck us some commas, yeah. Fuck us some commas, yeah. Fuck us some commas, and fuck us some commas, yeah. 100,000 to 100,000, 100,000 on 100,000, 200,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout. Fuck us some commas, and fuck us some commas, yeah. And fuck us some commas, and fuck us some commas, yeah. 40,000 to 100,000, 100,000 on 100,000, 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout. Put you on the first 48 hours, round 22 and sleep 2 hours. Put 24s on a new outlet. White on white like baby powder. Drop the bitch off a foot counter. Might count it up and then recount it. Double cups like Tunch, yeah. Bust down with Dick Goonish, yeah. Get no fuck shit. We don't get no fuck shit. Go fill my cup, yeah. Bitch, go fill my cup, yeah. You heard that the songs, baby. I'm cool with the convict.
Pussies. Called the first one savage, mold my mood, that's what it was. 2016, we was running around, beat niggas up in the club. I know she around for the money, but act like she loyal, I don't for the love. I'm so rich, get bored, might wake up, buy me a car just cuz. Her titties is hard, cause she spent the 5, my bitch titties cost me a dub. All my bitches got BBLs, all my bitches got buzz. I ain't with the rap beef, Draco, pedophile, all my arts get touched. We ain't never ran off on no bar, but we still be hopping out cuz. Running, 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 running. I leave by my cars. Running, 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 running. All my ops be running, 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 running. Wipe his nose, it was running, 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 running. Savage never did no. That closet for your wife, that hookah for your wife. I'm slaughter gang, pussy, you know I brought my knife. He was talking gangster, we caught him at a light. Pussy. I let my young nigga do it, it was free, he wanted a strike. Oh God. Having my way with the cheese, I'm in the den with the thieves. Oh God. I know that she ratchet, I could tell by the way that she wearing her weed. Smoking on Zaza, this shit came out the garden with Adam and Eve. Chopper go 5-5, shoot up your pot while nigga tryna make y'all bleed. Got out of line, spanked that baby, we had to rock on the sleep. Pussy, is it an issue? Keep me a pistol, I ain't finna dish you. Pussy, all that pillow talk, I'ma have to send a boogeyman to come get you. Chain hang low like a yo-yo, your bitch ride dick like pogo. Running, 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 running. I leave by my cars, running.
Street life, I have you catching up to God quicker. Sticker to your lipper. Let the bang on you like a blood or a cripper. Flipper, so much bread, I'm a gymnast. Made so much money off of dummies, off of dummies.
Yeah, gang, yeah, gang, gang. I'm Mr. Body Catcher, Slaughter Gang Soul Snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a rapper. No capper, street, not a rapper. Hit him and he turned into a booty clapper. Smith and Wesson, I'm 4L gang reppin'. We done baptized more than a damn reverend. Kappa Alpha, me and my gang, we do all the steppin'. Who you checkin'? It's FN, shoot east or west end.
Yeah, I heard Poppy outside. And he got the double R, drop it outside. Check the weather and it's getting real oppy outside. I'ma drop this shit and have these dropping like some motherfucker. Type of that can't look me in the eyes, I despise. When I see you, better put that pride to the side. Many times, plenty times, I survive. Beef is live, spoiler alert, this dies.
Keep blickies. And you know the sticky. My finger itchy, like to leave hickeys. Your shooter's iffy, a street punk can never diss me. I come straight up out the six and we don't spell sissies.
I with her, and with her, and her. I hit up her, tell them do the for sure. Voodoo curse, it got them while I flew the Turks. Know the dogs had to hit them where we knew it hurts.
Gang, that's all I'm on.
Yeah.
Gang, that's all I'm on. 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 Let it bang bang, let it bang bang, till his brains hang, and his mama sang, and the pastor sang, and them Buddhists sang, and them choppers sang, and the choir sang.
I'm on everything. Jacob charged me $450 for a tennis chain. US Open had it on us at the tennis game. Tell the coach don't take me out, I like to finish games. And my pen insane, and my men insane. There's like 80 of us now, that's a scary thing. They doing on that other side embarrassing. We in Paris with it, 100 carats with it.
DJ Khaled.
Yeah, I go on and on. Can't understand how I last so long. I must have the superpowers. Last 223,000 hours, and it's cause I'm off of CC, and I'm off the Hennessy. And like your boy from Compton said, you know this dick ain't free. I got girls that I should've made pay for it. Got girls that I should've made wait for it. I got girls that'll cancel a flight back home. Stay another day for it. You got attitude on nana, yo. Pussy on agua, yo. Stomach on flat, and yo. Ass on what's that? And yeah, I need it all right now. Last year I had drama, girl, not right now. I would never go and chat what we talking about. You the only one I know can fit it all in them. Man, I always wonder if you ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Or is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? Is it just me? Yeah, is it just me? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? I know you working day and night to get a college degree. Bet nobody that you been with even know you're free, right? You know you only do that with me, right? Yeah, double checking on you. You know I never put the pressure on you. You know that you make your own mind up. You knew what it was when you signed up. Now you gotta run it up. I be out of words trying to sum it up. Girl, you throw it back like one love. Even let me slash on the tour bus. Yeah, I told her, but she don't do enough. Even though you in the hood, I'm still pulling up. Dip straight to your doorstep. This a real thing, can you feel the force yet? I always wonder if you ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Or is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? Is it just me? Yeah, is it just me? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to
Another one.
Hey, free smoke, hey, Don Rose toes, hidden hills where I pose. I start my day slow, silk pajamas when I wake though. Mirror vow to the face though. I drunk text J-Lo, old number so it bounce back. Boy wonder got to bounce back. Used to get paid for shows and front door money 5, 10, 20s hand sanitized. How do you count that? Me and Gibble was about that. Eating Applebee's and Outback. Southwest no first class. Hilton rooms gotta double up. Writing our name on a double cup. We ain't even have a tour bus. Girls wouldn't even think of recording me. I fall asleep in sororities. I had some different priorities. Weezy had all the authority. Women I like was ignoring me. Now they like, aren't you adorable? I know the question rhetorical. I took the team play from Oracle. Mama never used to cook much. Used to Chef KD. Now me and Chef KD. Bet on shop for 20 G's. I brought the game to his knees. I ain't make too much these days to ever say poor me. Where you at, I never see you. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Niggas move so waste.
please come outside the house and show yourself so I can say it to your face. It's bound to happen, man, it's gotta happen now, so let's just get it out the way. A lot of niggas going bad on me, please, one at a time. I wanna move to Dubai, so I don't ever had to kick it with none of you guys. I didn't listen to Hove on that old song when he told me pay it no mind. I get more satisfaction out of going at your head and seeing all of you die. And I seen a lot of you die. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Hitting hills where I pose, yeah. Yeah, you already know, yeah. I'm the troublemaker in the neighborhood, far as troublemaking goes, yeah. House party of the road, yeah. I'm not kidding, play. This kid doesn't play about the flow, yeah. Y'all keep playing with your nose, yeah. You get high and do the most, yeah. How you let a kid fighting ghosts, writing rumors turn you to a ghost. Oh, you niggas got jokes. Free smoke, free smoke.
Buckle. Yeah.
Boogie with the hoodie, damn, you be flexing. They want you for a ransom. It's a whole lot of ways I could get my cash up. Nigga, you ain't got no backup, you should back up. All the hoes say I'm handsome, I got my bands up. I got bands, now my head up for a ransom. It's a whole lot of ways I could get my cash up. Nigga, you ain't got no backup, you should back up. All the hoes say I'm handsome, I got my bands up. I got bands, now my head up for a ransom. Nigga, I ain't put no cash up for this backup. I just stay with my head up and my grass cut. Damn snakes got me fed up, I need a handgun. I got bands, now my head up for a ransom. Damn son, what's the issue? Young nigga with a chip tooth and a pistol. I got into the money, started hitting legs too. 100 bands, making mans turn right against you. Run through the money, I like singing wrong, so I bought a bunch of them, nigga. I like throwing one, so I threw a bunch of them, nigga. I'm making a song just to keep it 100, nigga. Now I'm going up, niggas got their hands out, nigga. You wasn't around now, you my mans now. Probably wanna give me clap now, you a damn clown. Now you wanna give me dap now, you a fan now. It's a whole lot of ways I could get my cash up. Nigga, you ain't got no backup, you should back up. All the hoes say I'm handsome, I got my bands up. I got bands, now my head up for a ransom. Nigga, I ain't put no cash up for this backup. I just stay with my head up and my grass cut. Damn snakes got me fed up, I need a handgun. I got bands, now my head up for a ransom. I fuck it up, thumb through a check, my nigga, you, he a shooting guard, he dumb with the left. RJ, he a referee, he gon' get the tech. I'ma keep scoring from 3, I ain't missing yet. Listen up, if I feel a threat, I'ma hit you up, grip it up, she ain't never touch, I don't give a fuck. When she suck, she gon' lick me up, ain't no hickeys, girl, just hit me up. When you wanna fuck, girl, just hit me up. Stick it up, and I got that drink when I drive by. Stick it up, taking everything when we drive by. Moving like Christina Aguilera, Lady Gaga. Another one, nah. It's a whole lot of ways I could get my cash up. Nigga, you ain't got no backup, you should back up. All the hoes say I'm handsome, I got my bands up. I got bands, now my head up for a ransom. Nigga, I ain't put no cash up for this backup. I just stay with my head up and my grass cut. Damn snakes got me fed up, I need a handgun. I got bands, now my head up for a ransom.
I'm on my way to an island and I'm popping shit at the pilot. Niggas be broken, be starving, but still talking shit like they violent. They say that they honest, how money these niggas gon' say that they got it. Getting out with the kid is success and these niggas gon' blame it on talent. They don't wanna see you win, they don't wanna see the race. You don't wanna see a bitch caught up in the stars like she out of space.